Hi, this is your daily dose of AI. Large language models meet collaborative filtering, an efficient all-round LLM-based recommender system. So let's jump on board and check out this research paper. Abstract. Collaborative filtering recommender systems, CF-REXIS, have shown successive results in enhancing the user experience on social media and e-commerce platforms. However, as CF-REXIS struggles under cold scenarios with sparse user item interactions, recent strategies have focused on leveraging modality information of user items, e.g., text or images, based on pre-trained modality encoders and large language models, LLMs. Despite their effectiveness under cold scenarios, we observed that they underperform simple traditional collaborative filtering models under warm scenarios due to the lack of collaborative knowledge. In this work, we propose an efficient all-round LLM-based recommender system called ALLM-REC that excels not only in the cold scenario, but also in the warm scenario. Our main idea is to enable an LLM to directly leverage the collaborative knowledge contained in a pre-trained state-of-the-art CF-REXIS so that the emergent ability of the LLM, as well as the high-quality user item embeddings that are already trained by the state-of-the-art CF-REXIS, can be jointly exploited. This approach yields two advantages. One, model agnostic, allowing for integration with various existing CF-REXIS, and two, efficiency, eliminating the extensive fine-tuning typically required for LLM-based recommenders. Our extensive experiments on various real-world datasets demonstrate the superiority of ALLM-REC in various scenarios, including cold-warm, few-shot, cold-user, and cross-domain scenarios. Beyond the recommendation task, we also show the potential of ALLM-REC in generating natural language outputs based on the understanding of the collaborative knowledge by performing a favorite genre prediction task. Our code is available at http://github.com/ghdtjr/ALMREC. Conclusion: in this paper, we propose a novel LLM-based recommender system named ALM-REC. The main idea is to enable LLMs to utilize the collaborative knowledge from pre-trained CF-REXIS. By doing so, ALLM-REC outperforms existing CF-REXIS modality-aware recommender systems and LM-based recommenders under various scenarios, including cold-warm items, cold-user, few-shot, and cross-domain scenarios. Moreover, we also demonstrate that the two advantages originated from fine-tuning neither pre-trained CF-REXIS nor LLMs, i.e. model-agnostic and efficiency. Lastly, we show the potential of ALM-REC in generating natural language tasks based on the understanding of collaborative knowledge from CF-REXIS. For future work, we plan to further enhance the ability of the LLM in ALLM-REC based on advanced prompt engineering, such as chain-of-thought prompting, Wei et al., 2022b. Ethics Statement. To the best of our knowledge, this paper aligns with the KDD Code of Ethics without any ethical concerns. The datasets and codes employed in our research are publicly available. Thanks for sticking around for the whole time. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool content. Have an awesome day.